Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. Okay, let's start the chapter number 4, and the chapter name is More on MS Access. So, children, in this chapter, we will be learning about Microsoft Access, MS Access, database, and queries. Okay, so let's start. First topic is MS Access. So MS Access or Microsoft Access is a database management for Microsoft that combine the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a GUI. GUI means graphical user and an interface, and supports software development tools. Okay, now the question is, what is the database? So database is the collection of informations of fields. Okay, and the database of any organization that contain huge amount of data, okay, in the form of tables. Okay, so it may consist of multiple tables when the number of record in a table increases. Okay, so there are some tools available in so many tools, not some. Okay, so many tools available in Microsoft Access, okay, or MS Access. So first tools is a report. Okay, so report basically report to display the data from a table in a appealing way. Okay, it's help us to present the data in a organized way. Organized way means in the form of row and column. Represent the data in the form of row and column. Okay, and the report automatically include all the field of the tables, and report can be divided in two parts: page header and a details line. So page header means the portion at the top of the report. Okay, suppose that this is the report and here this is the area. Okay, this portion is known as page header. Okay, and the details line, so the lines that are printed for each record contain only those fields that are specified by the user. Okay, suppose that these are field A, B, C, D. Okay, so this area is known as a details lines. Okay, so now the question is how to create a report in MS Access. Okay, so there are so many ways to create a report in MS Access. So first method is creating simple report using report tool method. Okay, so with the help of report tool method, we can generate a report immediately. Okay, it does not prompt for information. Okay, so there are so many steps. Okay, some steps to create report using report tool options. So in step number 1, open MS Access. Okay, MS Access. Now click on create tab option in this option. Okay, in step number 2, and then click on report option. Look at this option. Okay, here. And finally, the report will be built and displayed in the layout view. Look at this view. Look like this. Okay, this is the simple report. Okay, so I hope you understand. So to create a simple report, in step number 1, click on open Microsoft Access database, then click on create tab option, and thirdly, in step number 3, click on report option, and the report will be built and displayed in the layout view. This is the first method. And second one is creating a blank report. Creating a blank report, it means suppose that if you want to put only a few fields in our reports, so then we use a blank report options. Okay, so there are some steps to create a blank report. So in step number 1, click on open MS Access, then click on create tab option, okay, and in step number 2 click on blank report, okay, blank report. So a blank report will be displayed in the layout view, okay, and step number 3, click on the plus sign visible next to the table name. Look at this picture. This is the blank report, look like this, okay, blank report. Next one is creating a report using report wizards. So children, suppose if we want to create a professionally designed reports that summarize data from the database, so we can use a option report using report wizard, okay. So this report is used for professional persons, okay, yes. Now the question is how to save a report in a MS Access, okay. So there are some steps to saving a report in MS Access. So in step number 1, click on the file tab option here, okay, and then click on save option, okay. The save as dialog box will appear, okay, and then in step number 3 enter the report name. Suppose that our report name is ABC, okay, here we write the report name, then click on save button, okay, or OK button, then report will be saved, okay. And finally step number 5, click on the close button, the report will be closed, okay children. So this is the first part of this chapter, okay. Thanks for watching this video.